What's up, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today we have Glossy Box for the month of December. So if you guys want to see what's in this month's Glossy Box, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hello, loves. Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my channel, my loves. Today we're going to be unboxing Glossy Box. I'm going to try to keep it short and sweet. We still drinking on a little Moscato from earlier, so let's take a dance break and a drink break. I want to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you guys, greatly, I really do. Now let's get some specs on Glossy Box and go ahead on and unbox it. So this is Glossy Box, my loves. This one is $21 per month. You're supposed to receive 5 deluxe size products each month with the occasional full size product. It's supposed to have a value of at least $60, and I have a code down below, well, a link down below that you can use to get your first box for for $16. So let's just open it on up and see what we got. So they always give you like little coupons and stuff in your box. And this right here is the box for December. It is gorgeous. I mean, I love it. It says best time of the year. Glossy Box's packaging is always so killer. This box was late too. I usually get this one like the first part of the month, like the first week of the month, but this one was really late too this month. And I do get this sent to me in PR, guys. So yeah, this is what the inside of the box looks like. I do love Glossy Box's packaging. Like, I love it. We do get a little pamphlet every month that gives us everything we received in the box. This is how the inside of the box looks, and let's go ahead on and rip her open. Now, Glossy Box has been, for the most part for me, a skincare heavy box, which I don't mind. But the last couple of months, they've been like sticking palettes in the boxes and stuff. So they've been really good. So I'm hoping this month will be the same. So let's see. First up on top is an exfoliating coffee scrub. And this is from Mine Tan Body and Skin. Okay. It says an exfoliator for softer, smoother, more luscious skin. Gently smooth away any imperfections and improve the overall appearance of your skin over time by adding this coffee scrub to your regular shower routine. Okay, now these I'm not really too excited for because it makes a huge mess in the shower. It's like you had like explosive diarrhea. Sorry, but that's what it looks like. So I'm not really a fan of coffee scrubs, but I mean, I'll give this to someone. I'm sure they can get some good use out of this. And this, my loves, is the Deluxe Mini. And this one right here retails for $15. The full size is a 200 gram pack that retails for $19, but this one is $15 right here. So it also says on here, you want to put it on wet skin, gently scrub in a circular motion, and rinse off after 5 minutes. All right, next up, we have this Smoothing Coconut by Cellulose Eye Mask from GLOSSYBOX. Okay, let me see what this is, guys. This is the full size. It says this is a Smoothing Coconut Biocellulose Eye Mask. This intensive all-around eye treatment includes naturally fermented coconut juice to smooth, nourish, and plump the skin. After cleansing, place around your eyes and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. This retails for $6. And I can always use a good eye mask. Y'all know I be having like the puffiness, the dark circles, and yeah, I like my skin and my eyes especially to look nice and poppy and opened. So next product, guys, is from Christophe Robin, and this is a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. That's what it looks like right there, my loves. This is the Deluxe Mini. You do get, how much you get in here? 40 milliliters of product. And it says here to restore balance to your skin with this iconic scrub, suitable for just about any hair. Oh, it's a hair scrub. Hair type and texture. It's amazing for cleansing, removing buildup, flakiness, and soothing sensitivity. You want to apply this once a week to damp hair in the place. Oh, girl. in the place of shampoo and follow with the conditioner. This retails for $8.40, my loves. And let's smell it. Ooh, it does smell really good. It's like a little sea salt scrub that I guess you would like scrub it on your scalp and on your hair. I probably could use this on my natural hair. Okay, I received this product, I think last month from some company. I don't remember who. Y'all, you know my mind is like. So next product we have is from Youth to the People. This is the Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. Okay, it's a hydration cream. Let's open it up. It says use for day and night. Oh, wow. This big box and this little bitty teeny tiny baby comes out. Let's see, let me open it. All right. It has a seal on it. I won't open it up, guys, but let me see what it says. So this is formulated for dry, reactive, and sensitive skin. This moisturizer's plant extracts and peptide complex make for long-lasting hydration without clogging your pores. This is the Deluxe Mini, and this retails for $18, my loves. And you can apply it to dry skin in the morning and in the evening. So you get this little bitty baby right there. You could probably get maybe 2 uses out of this, I guess. So next up we have from Nude Sticks. This is a gel color lip and cheek balm right here. And this is the full size. It says it's rich in color, vitamin E, and plant oils. This dual action ultra moisturizing balm provides a lovely, lightweight, velvety, smooth pigment for your lips and cheeks. And this retails for $26. Wow. Oh, and it's just like a crayon right here. And this is what it looks like right here, my loves. We could swatch a little bit on the hand. It's just like a nice little pinky tone for your lips. Okay, $26. I don't think I'm gonna pick $26, but okay, that's cute. And then the last product in the box is from CBDFX. And this is a foot mask, lavender peppermint, and I have the lavender. It says containing premium quality, broad spectrum hemp extract. Y'all always be tongue-tied, huh? This vegan-friendly foot mask is the perfect solution for restoring moisture and relaxation. You get one in here. It retails for $9.99. And for the best results, apply to clean feet before bed for 20 minutes. And I'm definitely going to use this because with me working and standing on my feet all day, it is like killer. So I'm excited to use this and try this out. I do love a foot mask. So that was our final product in this month's Glossy Box. Let's quickly do a recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received this foot mask right here, this smoothing eye mask, coffee scrub, from Nude Sticks, this lip and cheek color, which is right there, from Christophe Robin, this hair scrub, and from Youth to the People, this moisturizing cream. So these 6 products for the month. Final thoughts on this box, guys, was it was just okay for me this month. They gave us one makeup product here. We got a hair product, a foot product. I don't know. It was just okay. It was very skincare heavy. I do love the fact that they gave us a foot mask. I will get a lot of use out of that. Well, it's one application, but I will use it. The coffee scrub, I'm not really too fond of. I can always use an eye mask. And the other products were just okay. I don't know about this month, guys. Let me know down below in the comments. I think for December, like December should be the month you just go out with a bang and leave people wanting more and wanting to see what you have coming in January. This one was just okay for me, kind of like a sort of a miss. So yeah, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn woods. To 5 being this box is a bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna have to give a Glossy Box for the month of December a whopping 2 to 2.5. It just wasn't really exciting this month for me. And yeah, that's my thoughts, guys. So hopefully in 2021, they're gonna start it out with a bang and we're gonna be excited and loving everything in Glossy Box. But December was just a little bit of a fail for me. It's my own personal opinion, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have not done so already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you leave me a comment. It does help my channel out. Give it a big thumbs up. I do love responding to you guys and talking to you in the comments. I will put GLOSSYBOX's link down below so you can get your first box for $16. Don't forget, follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. And that's all that I have, my loves. I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. Bye.